This is learning from YouTube. So I'm gonna teach you Tagalog phrases for beginners. Here are a collection of 100 most known Tagalog phrases organized into 10 friendly categories. Each section contains 10 practical expressions you actually use in conversation with Filipino speakers, from saying hello to ordering food. Okay, these are the greetings. Kumusta? How are you? Magandang umaga. Good morning. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Maayong araw. Have a good day. Anong balita? What's new? So, this expression is you're asking a news. Like, kumusta ka na? How you been? Mabuti naman. I'm fine. And if someone asks you, example, a Filipino, and he will say, kumusta ang iyong lagay? At pwede mo rin itong sabihin, mabuti naman. And magandang bati, greetings, paalam, goodbye. Filipino loves warm greetings. Try matching your greeting to the time of day and add a smile. A friendly kumusta works anytime and immediately show you're making an effort to connect. For more example, the usage tip explored this Tagalog greetings. So, a polite expression. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you but formal. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Walang anuman. You're welcome. Paumanhin po. I'm sorry. So, paumanhin po is used to apologize if you bump someone. For example, you bump a Filipino, you can say paumanhin or paumanhin po. Pasensya na po. So, pakiusap, please. Tulungan mo ako. Help me. You can use this if you are in danger, especially in your Philippines, because there are many Filipinos. And paki, please, prefix for request. For example, pakiabot ngayong tubig. So, please give me the water. Makikiraan po. Excuse me when passing through. For example, you are passing through a crowded street. So you can say, makiraan po. Practice this daily, adding to your praises, show respect to elders or new acquaintance. These tiny words make a big difference in how your Tagalog sounds to native speakers. They expand your gratitude vocabulary. Learn so many ways to say thank you in Tagalog. Okay. Introduction and small talk. So, ako si means I am. For example, ako po si Enzo Bonwensorski. Halimbawa lang po iyon. So, in English, I am Enzo Bonwensorski. Okay? Ano ang pangalan mo? What's your name? So, kapag may nagtatanong sa iyo, ano ang pangalan mo, pwede mo namang sabihin, ako si at pangalan mo. Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Taga saan ka? Where where are you from? Then, so, opo and po means yes, but it's a respectful. So, anong trabaho mo? What is your job? Masaya akong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Ilang taon ka na? How old are you? May asawa ka na ba? Are you married? Marunong ka bang mag-Tagalog? Do you know how to speak Tagalog? Filipino value in conversation using po and opo with elders or people you just meet show respect and cultural awareness. It's like adding a polite bow to your words. So, so this is like Japanese. They bow, but in Philippines, we say polite words. Asking a question. Ano ito? What is this? Sino siya? Bakit? Kailan? Paano? Magkano? Pwede ba? Pwede bang magtanong? Naintindihan mo ba? Or naintindihan mo ba ako? Keep your tone gently when asking question in Tagalog. Even direct questions sound better with softer voice. It's a cultural differences that helps maintain harmony in conversation. Direction and transportation. Saan ang banyo? Paano pumunta sa banyo? Malayo ba ang banyo? Malapit lang ang banyo. Kanan, right. Kaliwa, left. Diretso, straight ahead. Para po, stop please for jeepney and buses. Magkano po ang pamasahe? Nasaan ang banyo? Where is the things, and then riding a jeepney just called out para po when you stop. These colorful converted jeeps and hearts of Filipinos transportation and local will smile when you know to hoop on and like a pro. Food or dining. Masarap. Gutom na ako. Uhaw na ako. Magkano po? So this is when you are asking a question. Pwede, pwede ako umorder? Anong specialty nyo? Or ano ang specialty ninyo? Maanghang ba ito? Kain tayo. So you can use kain tayo po. Let's eat. Busog na ako. I'm full. Isa pa nga. One more, please. So informal, you can use isa pa nga po like that. Okay. Shopping terms, magkano ito? Mahal naman. Pwede bang tumawad? Meaning, can I haggle? Meron ba kayo? Meron ba kayong something like item? Okay. Do you have for example, meron ba kayong lapis? Do you have a pencil? Sale ba ito? Ito na lang. Gusto ko ito. Anong size? Pwede bang sumukat? Saan ang bayaran? Numbers on time. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo. Anong oras na? Alas 2 na. Umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi, kahapon, ngayon, bukas, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Okay. Listen for a last before number when telling time. It comes from Spanish influence. You might hear alas 8 ng umaga, 8 in the morning. As Filipino blend language traditions, if you're just getting started with numbers, this guide on how to count in Tagalog breaks it down step by step. Okay, days, month, and holiday. Lunes, martes, miércoles, like in Spanish, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, linggo, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, nobyembre, disyembre. Pasko, bagong taon, maligayang bati. The Philippines celebrate Christmas for months. So, In Philippines, we celebrate Christmas starting in September, like per month. So we start at September, October, November, and December. So Filipino, you see paroles, star lanterns everywhere, and here, Carlos playing perfect time to practice Maligayang Pasko or Merry Christmas. And we have a song on Maligayang Pasko. This is a Filipino song. You can search it. Then expression of appreciation and affection. Mahal kita. Ingat ka. Kaya mo yan. Mabuhay. Congratulations. Proud ako sa iyo. Salamat sa iyong tulong mo. Namimiss na kita. Kaibigan kita. Hanggang sa muli. So, bye-bye. I hope this video can learn something. And don't forget to like and subscribe.